Master budget. A master budget is a comprehensive financial plan that consolidates all individual departmental budgets into a single, unified document for an organization. It serves as a central planning tool that outlines the company's expected revenues, expenses, and financial position over a specified period, typically covering one fiscal year. The master budget includes both operating budgets and financial budgets, providing a holistic view of the organization's financial activities. Operating budgets. These budgets detail the income-generating activities of the company and include sales budget, projects future sales based on historical data and market analysis. Production budget estimates the number of units to be produced to meet sales demands. Direct materials budget calculates the raw materials required for production. Direct labor budget estimates labor costs associated with production. Manufacturing overhead budget projects overhead costs related to manufacturing operations. Selling and administrative expense budget details costs related to selling products and managing the business financial budgets. These budgets focus on the overall financial health of the organization and include cash budget. Forecasts cash inflows and outflows to ensure sufficient liquidity for operations. Budgeted income statement projects revenues and expenses to estimate net income. Budgeted balance sheet provides an overview of expected assets, liabilities, and equity at the end of the budgeting period. Purpose of a master budget. The primary purpose of a master budget is to provide management with a comprehensive framework for planning, controlling, and evaluating organizational performance. It helps in aligning departmental goals with overall corporate strategy by ensuring that all departments work towards common objectives. Facilitating communication among different departments through collaborative input during the budgeting process. Monitoring actual performance against budgeted figures through variance analysis, which allows management to identify areas needing corrective action.